Primetime News this evening. FBI to assist local investigators as SSL fraud saga deepens. Finance Minister announces new board for FSC. And Usain Bolt takes to social media.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
Welcome back, Herman. And I'm Janella Precious. Coming up in business news later today, Red Stripe ends its full for empties bottle return policy. The details later. And
Jordan Fort is here. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, Chapelton Maroons are now $200,000 lighter in the pocket after their no-show against Mount Pleasant in the JPL on Sunday. And they have also lost precious points in their fight for survival. I'll tell you more later in sports.
All right, thanks, Jordan. And Romain is also here. He'll tell us what he has for us in the weather report. Romain.
Thanks so much, Herman. Now, we have an increase in cloudy conditions across the area over the next few days, so there's a better chance that we could have some shower activity across inland areas in the afternoons.
Thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What's your reaction to the pronouncement made by the Finance Minister on the SSL fraud saga?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.